Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can buy TikTok coins with credit card. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. So once you open TikTok, click on profile in the right bottom, click on three bars on the top right, click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on your balance. So once you are on the balance page, here you can see I have 0 coins. Click on get coins, and once you are on that page you need to select the quantity. So I want to buy 5. Click on recharge in the bottom, and here you can see I add my debit card. So click here and click on add credit or debit card, and here you can add your credit card. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.